to Alan's Toys World. Welcome to Alan's Toys World.
What are we doing today, Aaron?
Getting Rusty.
We gotta find Rusty.
Yeah.
Okay, and you gotta find Rusty. If you find all of them, we'll open them and play with them.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Super excited.
Yes.
Awesome, dude. Good job. Let me touch. Yeah. Let's do this. Right. So where should we start first? Mickey Mouse might know where it is. Whoa! Mickey Mouse was hiding Rusty. What you got? Let's show the viewers what you got. Wow! It's a blaster tank. Awesome. Okay, let's put that one down. Let's try find the others. Okay? In there. What is it? Whoa! It's a balloon blaster! Let's go and put it back with the other ones. Yeah? Oh, what you got? Let me see what that is. That is Flying Rusty Cart! Okay, let's put that down there. Let's find another one now. I'll give you a clue. How do you heat your breakfast up? How does it get hot on your breakfast? Oh, it's in the microwave! What you got, Aaron? A bicycle? What's his name? Rusty Supermoto! Is that cool? Give us a thumbs up then, Aaron.
Yes, I got it. You have supposed to start doing. You can have these. You can't stay.
Oh, Mom! Oh, no! Oh, Rusty! Where's he gone? Oh no, Rusty's on the floor. We have to get the super truck. Get the tank.
No.
Put Rusty up here, help him. He needs help.
Rusty, to the left. No. The guy you want is just Sula. And none. You put him on there. Tell Raptors off. Oh no, my bike! Oh, my bike has fell down.
Your bike's fell down. Oh no.
There you